What's up, guys? Here to do another Recruiting Command video, part 2. Okay, here we go. That was a deeper one. I'm gonna try to do a higher one. Where I was dead. Okay. Hope you guys enjoy, like, and subscribe for more.